Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys, another beautiful gele tutorial. This is a DIY, do it yourself. So guys, to tie this gele is 70-30. Just form your pleats down, then bring the 30 forward after you might have tied it at the back. So guys, after you form your pleats, remember to place the gele on your head slantly. It's going to be slantly. Then you measure the 30 to see if it crosses over to the other side. Not too much, just once it crosses over to the 70, then you form your pleat on the 30. Also remember to locate the beginning of your gele. This is where a lot of us make mistake. Then you start forming your pleats. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Subscribe to my channel, and when you do, click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button to get notification whenever I upload a new video. My old subs, I love you guys. New subs, you are welcome to this great family. For those of us that keep coming back, thank you so much. I love you guys. So guys, remember to support your girl. Support me the little you can. It's very important for me. You are in my channel, please endeavor to support me the little you can. You can do so by sharing my videos, giving me a thumbs up, and dropping your comments on the comment section below. You are welcome to this great family. So let's go ahead with this tutorial. Form your pleats, arrange it very well. When you are done, use your office pin, as you can see on the screen, to pin it down. I'm so sorry I did not show where I'm pinning it. I want this tutorial to be a very short one. So when you are done, the next thing you will do is to come up with the 70-30. Remember the beginning, like I told you before. Then you use your office pin to pin it down. Once you do so, it will help you to work on the remaining part of the gele without disturbance. So guys, I'm starting off my pleat at the center of this gele. Pleats. It's not easy at all to tie gele on yourself. So I love to use clip a lot. If you are following my channel and you are following my gele tutorials, all my gele tutorials, you find out that I like to use clip. It is helping me. It's just like my second hand. I use it to hold the side I've worked on to make it easier for me to work on the other side. So this gele is all about forming your pleats all over. Form your pleats the way you can. You mustn't be perfect. but at least you can try. So when you are done pleating one side, all you need to do is to trace your plates down to the back. That is all you need for this. So trace your pleats, trace until you get to the back of your gele. So guys, this is the back of my gele. Remember, you have already tied this gele before. So even if you didn't tie it now, it's still gonna be strong. So I'm just going to like go ahead and pin this gele at the back. Because the gele is short, this part is very short, couldn't reach to the back. So what I'll do is I'll just take some parts and pin it, then use the remaining part to cover the back of my hair. Then use my office pin to pin it down. And that is all for the back. So guys, what I'll do now is to use my pin, because as you can see the gele is not going to reach down. So I will just arrange the plate and use my pin to pin it down. Pin it very well. So the next thing I'll do is to arrange this gele very well. Then the gele is ready. It's time to achieve the final style. See the way I'm tapping it. I'm tapping then as if I'm pulling it up, not too hard. Just do it, raise it up a little bit, then press at the center, and your gele is ready. So guys, if you love this tutorial, if you love this video, it's not easy, please support your girl subscribe before you leave this channel, and share this video. And please, I need that thumbs up. I need it. Thank you guys. I love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.